In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we're going to depart from our basic focus on video editing and talk about video production and hardware. Some of you are podcasters, some of you are content creators, some of you work with talent who could use a teleprompter, like the one you see here on the screen. This is a unit I just put together, and so from my own experience I'd like to share a bit about this if you'd like to consider it or are thinking about a teleprompter in your setup. What do you need in order for it to work? First of all, you need your own tripod, something good and stable, and then you need a teleprompter kit. Now the kit basically contains the metal in the middle that holds everything together, and a beam splitter glass, which is the key to the kit. On the back end you have a camera. On the front end, you have some kind of device that projects the text onto the mirror. And so you have to combine those elements that you own separately from any teleprompter kit. This one cost about $200. I had to add a camera on the back and then a tablet on the front. You can add anything else you want. But basically the feature of this is it has dark cloth on the back that keeps light from coming in, and basically has a shroud here. This is made of cardboard covered with cloth that again protects light from coming in. If it comes in on the back, you can't read the text very well on the mirror. And then you can use a digital camera like the one here, or I have a Vixia camcorder. Either will work. You can actually use a smartphone if you would prefer. But for best results, I would recommend using a camera that can record movies or a true video camera. And then you have the mounting plate that you hook to the tripod. You put your camera in the back and we'll turn it around so you can see what you see at the front. So on the front, it projects the image from either a smartphone or a tablet onto that glass. Now when you take it out and look at it, it's backwards. Well, it has to be in order to look right. So if you want to edit it, what you need to do is you need to reverse it so you can see the words in the right order. This is called a horizontal shift. And so now I can edit it in this mode and turn around and put it back from a horizontal mirror focus, and then I can read it when I'm actually going to use it. So you do need a piece of software. You can get simple stuff that's free. We'll talk about that in a moment. But this is the basics of what you have. Software, something to project the image, something to record the image, and the kit all sitting on a tripod. And so when you have your camera running, you can start your prompter and it will make the text flow at a pre-designated speed. Now, if you want very sophisticated software, some of it is AI and will monitor your voice, and it will move the text faster or slower according to how you speak. But again, that comes at a price. So the more sophisticated elements you want in your software, it will be a higher price for the software that goes either on your smartphone or on your tablet. So those are the basics of how this works. And it's really simple once you get it together. The voice recognition is nice. Some models of software are subscriber only. Others are you buy it, you keep it. So you can work on whatever works best for you. So those are the key components of this kind of setup. The key thing is the beam splitter glass. You can actually, if you're DIYer, build the rest of it yourself. Find a tablet or smartphone and have a recording device on the other end. Get some cloth to keep the light out and do whatever you want to create your own teleprompter. It's not all that complicated. But we hope this will help you if you're thinking about different ways in which your video production can be enhanced by being specific, by using certain words rather than guessing. You can also trigger the software to give you an outline of what to say so that you can customize your words and you don't have to stick to a script. So that's another option you might consider in video production. We hope you found this helpful. It's been fun learning about this. I hope to do a lot more with it in the future of my own projects here at the Sharper Turtle. Thanks for watching.